Good afternoon. This is Mrs. Gaikwad from ASSMS IOIT. Today I will be presenting the topic propositional logic. So, what propositional logic actually is? There we can say it as logical constants are true and false. So, we can create atomic sentences with propositional symbols, like you can use alphabets and the parentheses, and we can connect these atomic sentences with various connectives like conjunction, disjunction, implies, is equivalent, or you can say it as biconditional. Implies is implication or conditional, and not. And during propositional logic we use literals, which are atomic sentence or negated automatic atomic sentence. For example of this propositional logic are, if suppose I take the sentence P, which means it is hot, Q, it means it is humid, R, it is raining, then I can write a sentence, complete sentence as P and Q implies R. It means that if it is hot and humid, then it is raining. Or if I write Q implies P, then I can say that it is humid, then it is hot. So a better way is you can directly say as hot, humid, and raining for the complete sentence. It is hot, it is humid, and it is raining. So propositional logic is a simple language useful for showing the key ideas and definitions. So user defines a set of propositional symbols, like I said, P and Q, and you can use or define the semantics of each propositional logic. Like here we define like P means it is hot, Q means humid, likewise. And a sentence or the Welfem formula for this is a symbol is a sentence. So if S is a sentence, then we can say that negation of S or not of S as again is a sentence. If S is a sentence, then in bracket S again is a sentence. Then if S and T are sentences, then we can form various well form formulas like S or T, S and T, S implies T, S biconditional T. They again are the sentences that we have formed. So here BNF or grammar for sentences in the propositional logic you can write like S is a given sentence. Then a sentence again can be assigned to atomic sentence or complex sentence. Then atomic sentence is equivalent. You can write it as true, false, or P, Q, or S. This bar implies or. Then complex sentence you can write it as sentences combined with connectives. And the connectives you can use at nor, and, or, implies, and equivalent. So there are some terms that we use. It is the meaning of semantics actually is the interpretation, what you can interpret with that sentence. So we can actually write or say, or some basic terms are needed like tautology and contradiction. So valid sentence or tautology is a sentence when all the interpretations you can say are true, and or you can say when after solving the sentence or while putting the values you can say that it gives the outcome always as a true, or it is called as tautology. And contradiction means it is a sentence that is falls under all the interpretations. Now truth tables overview we can take, like for suppose I am having P and Q values as combination of true and false, then P and Q is, it is true when both P and Q are true. For or, it is false when both P and Q are false. For others, it is true. Then if then or implication, it is for true, both true values, it is true. For both false values, it is true. It is only false when the truth value of P is T and Q is F, then only it is false. And for not, whatever be the value, we negate it. Like if we enter true, then the negation of P is false. If it is false, negation is true. So here some more examples are there, like PQ values are given, then negation of P, then P and Q I have already explained, P or Q implication, and again double implies Q. Actually P implies Q can be again negation of P or Q we can write. This is 5 logical connectives are there. In the complex sentence you can form any kind of sentence and you can prove it, whether it is tautology or contradiction, by solving it by using the connectives. Like here the example is solved and the complex example which is given P or H and negation of H is P. Here it is giving all true values. So we can say that this sentence is a tautology. So inference rules. So logical inference is used to create new sentences that logically follow from given set of predicate calculus. Here are some examples of inference rule. Here we can say that P implies Q, P, therefore Q. We can write it as tautology. It is P and P implies Q. That means ending of these two implies Q. So the name of that rule is modus ponens. Likewise, modus tollens, hypothetic syllogism, disjunctive syllogism, addition, simplification, conjunction, and resolution. All these are the rules, and these are the inference rule for the same, or these are the sentences for the same. Thank you.